Hey there, this is Kurt Bayman from Forward Outdoor, just here at Canoecopia 2022 in Madison, Wisconsin, the world's biggest paddling event. Gonna check it out and see what sustainability efforts people have got here at the show. All right, stay tuned.
In the North Arctic, you see beaches full of green canisters. We have to get rid of those, so we came out with our gas growler.
Cool. Here, let's check this out.
Which the gas growler, when you refill it, replaces 5 cylinders, and you can refill it thousands of times.
Hey everybody, I'm Blake with NRS, talking a little bit about our sustainability efforts here with the company. We've tried to eliminate polybagging from our apparel packaging process, so now we're doing rolled and tied apparel that's coming to our customers. So your dealers are getting it like this now. Same thing with our dry suits, they're now being packaged in a recyclable cardboard box. So again, just taking all of those plastic pieces out of there. Same thing with our strap packaging, knife packaging, eliminating plastics there.
The really cool thing about this and where the real sustainability comes in here is that for every one of these stoves that BioLite places, it's roughly the equivalent of taking one car off the road for a year.
Oh, nice.
So that's a real, BioLite's been an a carbon negative company since their inception, and it's largely due to this.
Our mission towards sustainability. I think our ultimate goal is to become a climate neutral company, and some of the ways we're doing that are, exploring new fabrics, exploring ways to reduce our waste, as well as extend the life expectancy of your product to make sure you can keep coming back and using that gear and it doesn't end up in the landfill. So one of the products that we can highlight for you is the Sombrio series here. And we have a men's version called the Jericho series. Now what's interesting about this product is that it's a limestone based neoprene. So in fact it doesn't use any petroleum whatsoever.
One thing we do with Thule is our factory in Connecticut is a predominantly solar powered, and we generate enough power to run all of our machines.
In our packaging process, we recycle everything we can, all the cardboard, metal, everything that we use is recycled. We get 100% of our electricity through wind farms and use LED lighting, try to be energy as efficient as possible.
So, Red Bud Suds is what I came up with. We have sustainability in mind in all aspects, from the sourcing, we use local ingredients where we can, from the packaging, it's all recyclable and plastic free.
We use only carbon, no plastics, so there's no microplastics going to the water to chip away over time. All of our releases and molds need a release, like if you're baking a cake or baking a muffin, you put a release on that pan. So we use all water-based and plant-based materials for that instead of petrochemicals, both for the environment to go down our drains and for our employees not to breathe the vapors of that in a heated mold.
So obviously when we're creating wood paddles like this, there's some sawdust created. One of the things that we do is instead of just throwing that away, we're actually using all of the wood dust that we create to go as cattle bedding for calves in our local area. So we got some of the happiest cows in Wisconsin.
Footwear is a notoriously toxic industry, and we have taken as many steps as we can to make our shoes as environmentally friendly as possible. The canvas or hemp products that we use that are much more sustainable, because all the adhesives we use are non-animal based adhesives, so if you're vegan concerns, anything like that, with footwear, you're covered on.
So that's what I was able to find for sustainability efforts at this year's Canoecopia. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, because I'll be going a little deeper into some of those individual interviews, and make sure to sign up for my newsletter at forwardoutdoor.com. Thanks a lot.